Hello, future Germany explorer. Are you dreaming of working in Germany but don't have a job offer yet? Well, guess what? Germany has rolled out the red carpet with the opportunity card, or as the locals call it, the Chancenkarte. It's your golden ticket to seek employment in Germany without needing a job offer up front. Sound interesting, right? That's what this channel is for, making your dream of traveling or relocation a reality by bringing up-to-date information to your attention. So, to learn how to apply for Opportunity Card in Germany, stick around as we dive deep into how you can snag this opportunity. What is the Opportunity Card? Before moving on to the main thing, let's first tell you what Opportunity Card is about. Think of the Opportunity Card as Germany's version of a job seeker visa, but with a twist. It's designed for skilled professionals from non-EU countries, allowing them to enter Germany and look for employment for up to 12 months. During this period, you're permitted to work part-time, up to 20 hours per week, or engage in trial work to get your foot in the door. How to get eligible for the Germany's Opportunity Card. Before you pack your bags, let's ensure you tick the right boxes. To be eligible, you need: first, education. At least 2 years of vocational training or a university degree recognized in your home country. Second, language skills, basic German, A1 level or proficient English, B2 level. Third, financial means, proof that you can support yourself financially during your stay. Fourth, point system. Accumulate at least 6 points based on qualifications, experience, language skills, age, and ties to Germany. For a detailed breakdown of the point system, check out the official guide via www.germany-visa.org/immigration/residence-permit/opportunity-card. Now, let's look at the required documents. It's time to gather your paperwork. Here's what you'll need. First, a completed application form. Fill it out via the Consular Services portal via www.digital.diplo.de/Chancenkarte. Next, you'll need a valid passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. You'll also need proof of qualifications. This could be diplomas, certificates, or letters verifying your education. Don't forget your language proficiency certificates. A1 German, for example, from the Goethe Institute, or B2 English, such as IELTS or TOEFL. Financial proof is also required. Options include a blocked account with at least €12,324, a part-time job contract in Germany, or a formal obligation letter from a sponsor in Germany. You'll need health insurance that meets German standards. Prepare your CV or resume detailing your professional journey. And finally, a motivation letter explaining why you're keen on working in Germany. For more details on document requirements, visit the Germany Visa Opportunity Card documents page via www.germany-visa.org/immigration/residence-permit/opportunity-card/. So, are you ready to apply? Here's how to apply for Opportunity Card in Germany. This is the step-by-step process. First, do an eligibility check. Use the self-check tool to assess your qualifications. You can access that via www.digital.diplo.de/Chancenkarte. Next, gather the documents as mentioned earlier. Then submit your application. You can do this online through the Consular Services portal or in person at the German embassy or consulate in your home country. After that, book an appointment. Schedule a visa appointment for document submission and biometrics. Don't forget to pay the fees. The application fee is about €75. Now, you await processing. This typically takes 3 to 5 months. Upon approval, you'll receive your Opportunity Card and can make your move to Germany. Processing times can vary, so it's wise to apply well in advance. If you manage to arrive in Germany, welcome to Germany. Once you arrive, first, register your address within 2 weeks at the local Bürgeramt, the citizen's office. Next, start job hunting. Utilize your 12-month window to find suitable employment. You can also work part-time, up to 20 hours per week, or engage in trial work. When you finally hit a job, you can then apply for a different residence permit to continue working in Germany. For more on residence permits, visit the Germany Visa Residence Permit page via www.germany-visa.org/immigration/residence-permit/. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Germany's Opportunity Card. It's a fantastic chance to explore career opportunities in one of Europe's leading economies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and drop your questions in the comments below. Auf Wiedersehen and best of luck on your German adventure.